Welcome. I'm Jeff Brickler, and I'm the Product Manager for CADTALK. Today I'll be showing you the CADTALK ERP integration with Acumatica. Let's begin. So you should now see on your screen the CADTALK application. So the first thing I'll do, as I've already logged into Acumatica, I will load that Solidworks file that we saw. I will browse to the location of my files, whether that's in a PVM or on a local or attached drive. I'll select the propeller shaft assembly, select Open. I will select the 22-tooth gear configuration, select OK, and CADTALK will begin to process the engineering bill of material out of Solidworks, including all of the attributes and properties created in the CAD model. As you can see, CADTALK has loaded the design directly from SolidWorks, and there are on the screen you should see three red icons. The first icon at the top is the top level item with two subcomponents at the bottom. For the TS06302, the propeller shaft assembly, that is the parent, and it has two subcomponents, TS06303 and TS06812. You will see that I also have as a second item the Workcenter 100 operation. CADTALK is able to dynamically determine what operations to add based upon the engineering bill of material, add those directly in this interface, and then be able to create the whole bill of material in Acumatica, including this operation. So now I will save this item in Acumatica. So what CADTALK does is it will create those three new stock items on the stock item screen, and then we'll go to the bill of material screen where it will create the bill of material for TS06302. It will add the Workcenter 100 operation as well as the two subcomponents. Once everything turns green, Acumatica will have a complete bill of material. So as you can see, now all items are green. CADTALK has generated an Acumatica bill of material. So now if I go to Acumatica and I search for TS06 items, you will see that I have the TS06302 inventory ID here, as well as a BOM record, BOM 000027. I'll click on that record. And now you will see that CADTALK has generated that 00027 BOM ID record, which is the default BOM for that propeller shaft assembly, TS06-302. On the right, on the inventory ID, down below where my cursor is, you'll see the operation ID 10 with Workcenter 100 automatically added and the two subcomponents below, 303 and 812, and the material records. So CADTALK was able to read the CAD engineering bill of material directly from SolidWorks and turn that into a manufacturing bill of material in Acumatica. It created stock codes and added routing steps. The value of CADTALK comes from the reduced amount of errors that you might find in creating bills of material, as well as the speed and efficiency from going over a manual method.